Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable voice chat on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. How do I turn off voice chat? Roblox is a common question for players who prefer silent gameplay or want to increase privacy. In this video, I will show you how to disable, how to turn off the voice chat on Roblox. On my previous video, I'll show you how to enable, and now I will show you how to turn off, how to disable it. It's very simple. So you can go to the settings on your Roblox account, click on the more here. You can go to the settings, click on settings. After that, you can go to privacy and content restriction. From here, you'll find there is an option communication. You can just click on that, and there is an option voice chat. As you can see in here, my microphone, my voice chat is enabled, is active. If you want to disable, you can just click on the toggle in here. So now you have disabled the voice chat on your Roblox account. So if anytime maybe you want to enable this, you want to use the voice chat again, you can just enable this toggle in here, and you can enable and use the voice chat again on your Roblox account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable voice chat on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!